How to use the Submit Documents service in My Business account. Select Submit Documents from the left-hand menu under the Communications heading. If you have a case or reference number associated with your request, usually found on a CRA letter or given during a phone call, enter it in the field provided. Then click Next. If you do not have a case or reference number, click No Case or Reference Number. Select the topic that applies to your submission from the drop-down menu. If your topic is not on the list, you must mail your documents to the CRA. Click Next. To attach a file, browse for a document on your computer. Next, give a description about the file you are attaching. Make sure that all required fields are filled out. This screen and the following screens will vary slightly depending on whether or not you have a case or reference number. To upload your file, click Upload File. On this screen, you can review the file you have already attached, submit your file, or delete files. To submit your file, click Submit. If you would like to attach more than one file, click Add another file. On this screen, you will again see the documents that you have previously attached, and you can also attach another file. You can continue with this process until all your documents are attached. Note that there is a size limit of 150 megabytes. Review the files and descriptions to make sure they are correct. Click Submit. Your submission process is now complete, and you will immediately get a confirmation number for your submission, which you should keep for future reference. If you did not have a case or reference number, you will be provided with a newly created reference number, which you can then use to submit additional documents related to your request.